All right, we back live. We back live. Had to restart my Wi-Fi. That thing just crashed on me. I know y'all can hear me. All right, new 15 just started too. So GJ finally broke below this level, and then gold's still kind of chilling here. Before the live crashed, we saw gold kind of rejecting this level, but it shot back up. So still holding this level of support, but again, volume just kind of chilling right now. Same thing with GU. I like what GJ is looking like. So we want to see if we can hold this level as resistance. It just broke back down below. So we're about to see if we can hold this level. We back, yo. We back. All right, for those that's hopping back in, those I wasn't in the other live, but those I was in the previous live before the Wi-Fi crashed. Like I was saying through Telegram, I had to restart the Wi-Fi. Speaking of which, I thought I had the Telegram up. I don't. Is what it is though. But we was waiting for volume to kick in. So again, literally as soon as the live ended, price had some volume kick in the new 15, broke below. So now I want to see if it could hold below and continue to push down. Now, last week price went as low as 188.25. So for us to continue to push down, the downtrend to come into play, we're going to need to hold that level as a resistance. What we see price last week respected it as support. Now gold is still chilling up. Gold's turning green on this now. Okay, so we might see gold continue to push up. Like I was talking about the Sunday chart analysis, or gold could continue to hold 2180 as support. We can look for buys back to the highs at 2195. That thing exploded last week. It's been shooting out for about 2 weeks straight now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. I see some extra gold. What's going on, Tracy? How you doing? I gotta tell you, it blows my mind how lucky you are. I appreciate that. And it like one thing for sure, it didn't happen overnight. Like I put a lot of time in to figure it out. Trust me, a lot of time, a lot of hours, a lot of back testing, a lot of notes. You know, what I'm saying, a lot of mistakes. But that's why I strictly follow these rules, because again, all the rules I put in place is to achieve the end goal, which is to grow the account. You know what I'm saying? You know, everything I tell you not to do, I don't do. And there's a reason why, because I probably used to do it. I know what happens when you do it. And everything I tell y'all to do, I do it. You know what I'm saying? Like you go to the playlist, you watch any of the trading plan videos, things like that. That's stuff that I apply, far as my trades, on a daily, weekly basis and all that. Same thing with how to read the charts and all that, like the chart breakdowns, all that good stuff. I updated the playlist over the weekend, so make sure to check out the playlist. I changed how the order is too. So I was showing the most recent instead of the super old stuff. But you guys got any questions in the chat? When we're getting charged up in the chat. We might see some action in a little bit. Those that was in the last stream, you remember gold was struggling to hold this low and push up. Now we see gold about to see, who was about to do what we was looking for. And then G, same thing. It was struggling to break this level. Like we said, we was waiting for volume. Volume kicked in. Now we see it was about to, push down for us. And then GA was looking for a buy here, but it rejected the level, so we're just going to leave it alone. I got a video I'm working on dropping later on this week for y'all too. Yeah, look at gold pushing up now also. We're looking to see if GJ gonna follow gold's lead or not. The gold's doing what we was looking for also. If you haven't checked out the Sunday chart analysis, go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Go to the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Those that was in the last live, gold's doing what we was looking for. GJ starting to as well. Yeah, rejected the level, so we're leaving it alone. And then GU is doing this thing. I'm gonna leave the NAS alone for now. Yeah, there we go. Now it's ripping. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Gold's probably pushing too. Shot up a few points now. We'll be on for a little bit longer to make up for technical difficulties. Oh shit. New 5-minute just popped up. Ooh, that thing ripping now. Gold probably flying too. Look at that, y'all. Let's hit that like button too. And let the members know. Y'all enter gold or GJ, y'all should be nice and blue right now. Looking good ripped. Gold pushing too. If y'all got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. But gold and GJ going as projected right now. New 15 about to pop up, new hour as well. Excuse me. Like I said, we're going to be on for a little bit longer to make up for the technical difficulties earlier. When I was on my phone, I looked up, that thing just took another dump. Let's see if gold's pushing too. GJ going crazy right now. Per time. Well, welcome, Faithy. Do you say when to buy, sell, or do we just need to watch? So I had to restart this live. So you go to the channel, you'll see it was live like 20, 30 minutes ago. So in the live before, I had technical difficulties. So basically how the live streams work, I go on the charts and you're basically seeing behind the scenes what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for in the process from me, looking for setups, confirmations, entering, and all that good stuff. So before I had to restart the live, in the previous live, we was looking for a GJ sell and a gold buy. But when we was beginning the live, which was at 3 a.m. London session, we was waiting for gold to break and hold this level as support. So when we started the live again, that's when price start close here and started to hold this level of support and it's pushing up. So it was looking for a buy here. And the same thing with GJ. GJ was waiting for it to break this level, it broke this level. So I called a sell for the members in the advanced play signal room. So if you hit the first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram, watch the Sunday chart analysis. I drop that at the beginning of every week, and that goes over not just what I see price doing Sunday and Monday, but throughout the entire week. But yeah, so every day when I go live, I'm literally saying like what I'm looking for, and I just say like what I'm looking for, confirmation wise to enter a trade and all that good stuff. But make sure to explore the channel also. I got a playlist that's just back to back to back to back to back trade breakdowns, and I got another playlist which is called the trading tips playlist that goes over literally I have videos going over my trading plan, trading tips, trading psychology, all that good stuff. So make sure to check out those playlists. But yeah, if you got any other questions, drop them in the chat. That's for everyone else too. GJ still pushing. Gold not too much. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for a sell unless the NAS breaks below 17,950. The NAS goes 17,950. I'm gonna go for a sell. You can see short-term sells from 18,032 down to 17,960. I'd much rather wait for the price to hold this low as a resistance to go for sales. Those just joined the stream currently in a GJ sell, broke this down, not only in the Sunday chart analysis that you can watch if you hit the first link in the description, but in the live. We got to restart the live, but if you go into the channel, you see a live, you'll see it says stream starter ended 20 minutes ago or so. You watch that live, you'll see us again. The process of us waiting for the confirmation, and then when we restarted this live, that's when the trade actually we entered in. The charts actually started to pump some volume in. But GJ is going crazy right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Been watching the videos, understand that. All right, that's what's up. I'm glad. Yeah, so right now looking at GJ, so we went for a sell around here around 188.70. I was saying we could hold 188.70 as resistance. We could look for sells going down to 188.30, 188.25. Right now we're around 188.45. That's where we're kind of hovering at. So we're about halfway there. And then we can break and hold this level from support to resistance. We can see sales continue down to possibly 188.70, 188.65. Let me get that off the screen. My bad, Joe. Those just join the stream. Make sure that first link in the description. Join the free Signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Last month went 17-1, caught 24,403 pips. Last quarter went 76-7, caught 240,157 pips. Go ahead and hit that first link and check that out. We're currently in this GJ trade. On this, up about 20-ish pips. Goals going as projected as well. Didn't call that signal. Decided just to go for GJ. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Instagram's playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmaker_way_. Y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram or respond to all messages. But yeah, we're nice and blue on this right now. I forgot to pull Telegram up before I restarted the stream. Okay, I'm gonna show the signal. I'm gonna post some screenshots of my Instagram story. Can't really do it on TikTok. I might try to. Actually, I think I know how to do it on TikTok. But yeah, I always post it on Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. You'll see after the stream's over, we post an Instagram story with signal and all that good stuff. And then while we're going for sales, it's simple, right? So again, go to my playlist titled Trade Breakdowns, and it's literally like 50 videos or almost 50 videos of back-to-back trade breakdowns. So when we go back 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, we was nice and bullish where we was catching the buys. Then we see here last week price rejected this level, and this is where we saw the reversal come into play. This price broke below this level, started trading for support and resistance. That's when we went for the sell. Right, but we didn't enter here because I was on the price at this time, so waited for the next best entry point, which was right here at this level, and now we're like 20 pips up right now. Got a new 5 minute about to pop up in a little bit. Goals pushing and going as projected as well. Broke this down also. Well, that's a fat candlestick right there. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's see if it holds. They want price to go down right now. It's a big candlestick. Ooh, I don't know why my music sounded like that. There we go. I don't know what the hell is going on. And we could look for a sell setup here. If NAS can hold 17,960, 17,950 as resistance, we can look for sells going down to 17,890 and then possibly even 17,800. And right now, we literally just saw a fat candlestick. Again, this is why we trade off these levels. You see each time price hits these levels, we see these reactions. Again, we want to enter sells off resistance. We see the past 2 times prices hit this level, it's been being treated as support. So we want to wait to see if price can hold it as resistance like it did in the past. But yeah, that's a fat candlestick. You got a new 15 about to pop up. That GJ retracing. We're going to hold underneath this level to see price continue to push out. Goals retracing as well. Ooh, NAS is just ripping. Volume came out of nowhere. If y'all don't understand how support resistance works, I got y'all. I'm about to drop a video in the chat right now. Support resistance, supply demand, whatever you want to call it, is very, very, very important. If I can find a video that would help. Here it is. All right, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Apologize for technical difficulties, but hey, it happens. It was like I said on Friday, out of nowhere, it was hailing out of nowhere, broad daylight. I'm talking about. It was like the size of. I'm trying to think. It was bigger than. What the size of? It was bigger than a rice. It was bigger than rice. I'm trying to think what was the size. I don't know, but they were pretty big. I ain't gonna lie. They were like, yeah. So the weather got messed up, but we're back to it. I wanted to. I gotta fix my colors. Something's off right here. I don't know what is going on. But anyways, so again, if GJ can continue to push down, we're gonna see how it reacts to 1830, 1825. NAS is going after projected. We're talking about we can look for sales. We can hold 17 and 960 as resistance. Again, we see that doing that with no issue. So as we can continue to push down, it can reach 17,890 and possibly even 17,800. Make sure to check out the playlist and the content on the channel. I got some more videos dropping later on this week. Be on the lookout for that. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody in the live since the beginning. And yeah, we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow. The London Station 3 and EST members, you already know, in a few hours. I'm going to drop that New York price watch it for you.